Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an American Express cardholder, you know how exciting it can be to rack up points for travel, shopping, and more. In 2025, checking your points balance is easier than ever, and in this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Whether you're planning a big purchase or just curious about your rewards, this quick tutorial will have you sorted in no time. First, ensure you have the American Express app installed on your smartphone or access to their website. The app is free and user-friendly, making it the go-to option for most users. Start by opening the app and entering your login credentials, your username and password. If you're new or forgotten your details, there's a "Forgot Password" option to help you reset it securely. Once you're logged in, head to the main dashboard. Look for the Rewards or Membership Rewards tab, which is usually front and center. Tap on it, and you'll see your current points balance displayed clearly, often with a breakdown of how you earned them. For example, it might show available points, 15,000 feet, along with any recent activity. If you're using the website instead, log in at americanexpress.com, navigate to the Accounts section, and select Rewards and Benefits. This method works great if you're on a desktop. Pro tip: double-check for any pending transactions that could affect your balance, as points from recent purchases might not show up immediately. One common mistake is ignoring expiration dates. Many Amex points expire after a certain period, so keep an eye on that in the rewards summary. If you run into any issues, like login problems or discrepancies, don't hesitate to contact American Express customer service. They're available 24/7 and can assist via chat, phone, or email. And there you have it. Checking your Amex points balance in 2025 is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. This knowledge will help you make the most of your rewards. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.